Welcome back. We got Michael Screws right here from Dallas, Texas. $62,100 in the bank. Two questions away from being out of round one and in round two. We might as well play, man.
Let's do it.
Here is your next question. Let's play the game. Serving up a Jane Austen pun, what headline did The Daily Show use in their 2013 coverage of controversial statements by Paula Deen? Fried and prejudice, War and Peas, the bun also rises, time and punishment.
All of these are hilarious. But I'm fairly certain that Jane Austen wrote Pride and Prejudice. And so it would only make sense that it would be Pride and Prejudice. And Paula Deen loves fried food.
Right.
Don't we all?
Yeah, of course.
I'm going to go with A, Pride and Prejudice. Final answer.
You know what, Mike? That was a good thing you went with A, because that was right. Either 3,000 or 2,000.
Let's do it. Let's have some more.
Let's add something to the bank. What we got? $2,000. $64,100 more. One question left. We're going into the second round, man. This is you, brother.
Let's do it.
You ready for it? Here it is. Here's your next question. What planet was thought to be a star until it was viewed through a telescope in 1781? Was it Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus? That's a little ironic though too. It's like a guy named Michael Screws get a question about Uranus. It's just sometimes I go too far. I do. I know. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. I deserve that. I deserve that. I can't help myself at times.
Brother, can I remind you, this is a family show?
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. All right.
I'm really, really leaning towards Venus right now. But I've got to walk.
Okay, your final answer. All right, Michael. And it's a good thing because the answer is Uranus. Oh! Smart move. Mike walks away with $32,000. $50 in the bank. And we're going to be right back with more Millionaire. Michael Screws.
Show Dirt, who's